Hey everyone! Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to explore the top 3 email marketing platforms that are revolutionizing the digital marketing landscape. Whether you're a seasoned marketer, a startup founder, or someone eager to boost your email campaigns, this video is for you. Number 1 is getresponse. So what exactly is getresponse? It's an all-in-one marketing platform designed to help you grow your business with ease. Think of it as your Swiss Army knife for digital marketing. At its core, getresponse is known for its powerful email marketing features. You can create stunning emails using their drag-and-drop editor, automate your email campaigns, and track your results, all from one place. But it's not just about emails. getresponse offers a suite of tools including landing pages, webinars, and even a CRM system to manage your contacts and sales processes. One standout feature is its marketing automation. You can set up workflows to automatically send targeted emails based on customer behavior, saving you time and boosting your engagement. Plus, getresponse integrates with a ton of other platforms and services, making it super flexible for your business needs. If you're looking to streamline your marketing efforts and get better results, getresponse is definitely worth checking out. They even offer a free trial, so you can explore all these features yourself. Number 2 is MailChimp. MailChimp is a leading all-in-one marketing platform, best known for its email marketing services. It started out as a simple email marketing tool, but over the years, it's evolved into a full-fledged marketing suite. Whether you're a small business, an e-commerce store, or even a large enterprise, MailChimp has something to offer. MailChimp allows you to create, send, and analyze email campaigns with ease. But it doesn't stop there. You can also build landing pages, design social media ads, create automated workflows, and much more, all from one platform. The platform is incredibly user-friendly, with a drag-and-drop email editor that makes it easy for anyone to create professional-looking emails, even if you have no design experience. And if you're into analytics, MailChimp offers robust reporting tools to track your campaign's performance in real time. But what's really cool about MailChimp is its automation features. Imagine setting up an email series that triggers based on specific actions your audience takes, like making a purchase or signing up for a newsletter. This kind of personalized marketing is a game changer, and it's all possible with MailChimp. MailChimp's automation tools allow you to nurture leads, follow up with customers, and even re-engage inactive subscribers automatically. So whether you're just starting out or you're looking to scale your marketing efforts, MailChimp provides a powerful and flexible solution to help you grow your business. And the best part? They offer a free plan to get you started. Number 3 is Brevo. Brevo, formerly known as Sendinblue, is a powerful all-in-one marketing platform designed to help businesses of all sizes connect with their customers more effectively. Whether you're a small startup or a large enterprise, Brevo offers a range of tools that can streamline your marketing efforts. So what exactly can Brevo do for you? Let's dive into some of its key features. First up, email marketing. Brevo makes it easy to create and send professional-looking emails with their drag-and-drop editor. You can customize your templates, segment your audience, and automate your email campaigns, ensuring that the right message reaches the right person at the right time. But Brevo isn't just about email. It also offers SMS marketing, allowing you to reach your customers directly on their mobile devices. This can be a game changer for urgent updates, flash sales, or personalized offers. Another fantastic feature is Brevo's built-in CRM, or Customer Relationship Management tool. This lets you manage your customer interactions and data in one place, giving you valuable insights into your audience and helping you tailor your marketing strategies. And let's not forget about marketing automation. Brevo enables you to set up workflows that automate repetitive tasks, like sending welcome emails or following up with customers who haven't completed a purchase. This not only saves you time, but also boosts your efficiency. Overall, Brevo is a versatile platform that combines several essential marketing tools into one easy-to-use interface. Whether you're looking to enhance your email marketing, engage customers through SMS, or manage your contacts more effectively, Brevo has got you covered. If you want to learn more or try it out for yourself, head over to brevo.com. Trust me, it's a game changer for any business looking to step up its marketing game. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more insights into the best tools for your business. See you in the next one.